You wake up to a fire alarm. Panic sets in, right? Most people rush for the nearest exit. But here's a secret. Running might trap you. Listen. Fire spreads quickly. Every second counts. Instead, get low. Smoke rises so crawling can save your life. And think twice before opening a door. Feel the doorknob first. If it's hot, that room is a death trap. Now, here's the kicker. Plan your escape route in advance. Visualize it. Practice it. When you're calm, this could mean the difference between life and death. This isn't just theory. People get hurt because they don't know. Remember, it's not about getting out the door fastest. It's about getting out safely. Share this. Seriously, you could save a life.